What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shan's Night and I am back with another video. So in this video, this is going to be a quick video because the time hot. I'm going to turn off the fan phone here what may I say. So this is going to be a quick video. So today I will be unboxing a hair that I received from an Amazon store. It is Remy Hair Fashion. So I'm going to be leaving the name down here and I'm going to be leaving the link down in the description box for anyone who is interested in purchasing these bundles. These bundles are very affordable and I'm going to be leaving the link. But before we get into the video though, don't forget to subscribe, like. If you know anybody who wants any bundles at a reasonable price, you can definitely share the link with them. Sorry for the noise, as usual. I live near the main road. So this is the hair that I will be unboxing. It came in this box. Love the color, love the whole, love the color, love overall. So this is the box. This is what the box inside the box look like. This look like. This is the hair. I think these are some kinky. So I'll get this in the box. Just the instruction thing telling you how to wash the hair, how to care for the hair. For those who don't know how to care for the hair, you get this inside of it. It tells you that you need to comb through the hair gentle and all of that. And you get some stocking caps as usual. You get some, I get some lash that I won't be wearing. These are the bundles. So I think the length is 12, 14 and 16. So I think it is, these are 12, 14 and 16. So I got 3 bundles and it's in the umber color. So the end is light. So I'm going to be showing you guys the texture. So this is it. So these are kinky curly. So far it's not bad. So you get a little mesh thing over it to just, I think, to keep the curls in order. And this is the hair. I don't think I will be wearing it in this color though because I'm not really for the blonde, so I will be coloring it. The ends are like, you see how the ends are? I think I will have to trim the ends because it's a little thin, but okay, the texture is okay. It's very soft. So I'm wondering if I could get a closure, and I really wonder if I should get a closure and make a wig with this, or I can just do a half up, half down. You can definitely leave down in the comment section what you want me to do or what you suggest, what you think will do best. But I'm definitely going to be coloring it black. It's either I'll color it black or I'll color it chocolate brown. But this color, it's not going to be staying like this. So hopefully I can record that and show you guys how I color it. But this is it. I'm not going to be wearing it blonde. I'm going to be wearing it either black or chocolate brown. Let me know down in the comment section what you think would work better, chocolate brown, because up here is a little bit brown anyways. It's a little bit brown. It's not fully brown, but it's a little bit brown. So I think I can just go chocolate brown with it, or I can go black closure, or I can do a half up, half down, or I can just catch up, do a ponytail. But let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. I thank you so much for Remy Hair Fashion for sponsoring this video. I do love the hair, except for the ends of the hair. It is very thin, I think. I don't know if it's thin or it just needs trimming. Because you know, colored hair, you're hardly going to find a color hair that don't have a little shedding because of the bleach and everything that is on the hair. But to me, it's okay. The texture is good. The texture is really good. So the next thing that we will have to test and to see, put it to the test, is coloring it. See if it takes color after washing it. Would it form back the curl, the original curl? This is the end of this video. I thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm going to leave the link down in the description box for anyone who's interested in purchasing some bundles. I'm going to be leaving the cost as well because I don't remember the cost. I'm thanking you guys so much for watching the video. Bye.